If you're new to Process.st and wondering how to use templates to streamline your work processes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage templates in Process.st to automate and simplify your workflows, saving you time and boosting your efficiency. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and manage templates for maximum productivity, whether you're working alone or with a team. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can get started with Process.st completely free. Just check out the first link below for an exclusive extended free trial, with some special bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. So let's get into it. Templates in Process.st are essentially pre-built workflows that you can use for repetitive tasks, saving you the hassle of setting everything up from scratch each time. Whether it's onboarding new employees, tracking projects, or managing client work, templates make life a lot easier. To start using templates, first you need to access the template library. From your dashboard, go ahead and click on the Templates tab on the left sidebar. This is where you can see all the pre-existing templates available to you. You'll find templates for different business needs like HR, marketing, sales, and more. If you're using Process.st for the first time, you'll see some sample templates ready to be customized. If you want to create your own template from scratch, click on the Create Template button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to name your template and then start adding your tasks. Think of tasks as individual steps in your process. Each task can have instructions, assignees, due dates, and even attachments. It's a simple drag and drop interface that makes creating workflows fast and intuitive. Once you've created your tasks, you can further customize them by adding checklists, forms, and even conditional logic to make the workflow dynamic. For example, if you're creating a template for a client intake process, you can include a checklist for required documents and add a conditional step that only triggers if certain documents aren't provided. Now, once you have set up your template, it's time to use it. You can create a new workflow using your template by clicking on the Use Template button. This allows you to start a new instance of that process without changing your original template. You'll be able to assign tasks, set due dates, and even collaborate with your team all within the workflow. The best part? Any changes you make within an active workflow won't affect the original template, so you can freely experiment. As your team starts using these templates, you'll notice how easy it becomes to manage repetitive tasks. Templates ensure consistency, so everyone follows the same steps every time. And if you need to make updates or adjustments to your templates, you can do that too. Simply go back to the template settings and you'll be able to modify or add tasks. These updates will automatically reflect in any future workflows you create from the template. Also, Process.st makes it easy to duplicate templates if you need to create similar workflows for different projects or clients. This allows you to avoid reinventing the wheel each time you need to set up a new process. If you're working with a team, you can assign roles and permissions within the template, ensuring the right person handles each task. It helps reduce confusion and boosts collaboration, especially when you're managing complex processes with multiple steps. To wrap it up, templates in Process.st are an incredibly powerful way to automate and organize your workflows. Whether you're starting from a blank template or customizing an existing one, this tool is designed to save you time, eliminate human error, and improve efficiency. And remember, by using the link below, you'll get access to a special extended free trial so you can start using Process.st and all its features with no commitment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the exclusive offer in the description.